Hey, Brian from reChargeable. Today I have a Hiker Compact Aquarium air pump, and this is multifunctional. And what I mean by that is you can actually run this off of a electrical outlet like normal air pumps, or you can actually run this off of a battery backup, like a battery charger that you would use for charging your cell phone or a laptop or something else like that. I'll show you how that works in a second, but let's open this up and see everything that we get inside. So you get a power block, so you can plug it into the wall. That is your air pump. Nice compact design. Has a little clip on the back, so you can hang that onto the side of the aquarium. Has this magnetically connected USB cable that plugs into your power block or battery backup, not included. And then this is your airline setup. So you have your airline, comes with an air stone and then a check valve to keep water from backing up your line in case you do have a power outage. Okay, so that is your air port. So let's plug the hose in there. So we have the airline out. You got a generous length of airline. And we're actually going to cut the airline in half so we can install the check valve. So I'll put it on this end, and basically kind of like the tip is kind of like the flow of the air direction on there. So we're basically going to put it here. And we're going to put the other end of the airline onto this side of the check valve. So that's your configuration so far. And then we'll put the air stone on this end. We'll drop that in the tank so you can kind of see how the air works from there. And then this is the magnetic connection, so it's pretty neat. It basically clicks into the back there, makes a nice connection. Then we're going to plug it in to our outlet. And then we'll just push that button, hold it in for a quick second. And then the green will show that it's operating. And it takes a quick second for the air to go in, but now you can see that working really well. I'll get you a close-up of that in a second. And then, like I said, the cool thing is we can unplug this from the wall outlet. And then we plug it into our battery pack, not included, but just kind of give you an idea of this is great for if you are in an area that has frequent power outages like I do. It's nice to know that with a battery pack you can run an air pump and keep your tank and fish basically alive. So let me get you some close-ups of this. And the cool thing about this is after its onboard battery is powered up, it will run on its own power supply. So you can charge it while it is working, and then during a power outage it will automatically keep running. So that is awesome. Anyway, Brian from reChargeable, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.